Architects and interior designers aren't switching from legacy CAD because it stopped working. No, we're switching because the game has changed. The world now demands faster revisions, more revisions, better communication, more collaboration, and amazing visuals. The kicker? They want it all for significantly less. In today's video, I'll break down why designers and architects are moving to Rayon.Design, how it fits the modern workflow, and what makes it different to traditional CAD software. Make sure you watch the end of this video to get yourself a free copy of the template used throughout. Are you ready? Let's go. If you've never used Rayon before, you're going to come to Rayon.Design, literally Rayon.Design, no .com, no .au, and then either sign in or sign up. If you come across the pricing, you'll see it's completely free unless you want to move to a pro or a team user experience. Once you've signed in, you're going to come to a homepage that looks a little something like this. Now, this is obviously mine, and today we're working on the blue cafe set. I'm going to link it down below if you want to check it out. So straight away, you'll see there's a series of pages, very traditional. It's CAD power without the CAD pain, and that's exactly where we're going to start today. So if I zoom in to one of these floor plans as an example, we're looking at our demolition plan. And it may look overwhelming that we have different fills, different blocks, different hatches, zones, and everything in between, but in reality, it's going to take you about 15 minutes to learn Rayon by watching one of my videos, or it's going to take you a good 6.5 hours to learn AutoCAD by watching other people's videos. So straight away, the learning curve on Rayon is extremely low. If you want to learn Rayon and how to use the bottom palette, the left-hand side palette with the blocks, the styles, pages, and of course our properties panel here on the right-hand side, I'll link the video up top. I want to make one quick note about the comparison. Yes, Rayon still uses layers. Yes, traditional legacy CAD uses layers, but the layers in Rayon are up to you. You can have as many or as little, and they're a little bit more logical. Whatever is on top of one another is the order of preference as well. So it works a lot more like a traditional layering system on Photoshop compared to legacy CAD. So it's a lot easier to get your head around. In Rayon, we're drawing and documenting in one place. So if I move my project presentation panel, you'll see we have all of our pages, our cover pages, our cabinetry, sectional details, our furniture, fixtures, and equipment schedule, everything in one place. And that's all done here in Rayon. We're not jumping between software. We're not using Photoshop to add pretty pictures, remove backgrounds, or anything of the sort. We're doing it all in Rayon. So not only are we able to do CAD style drawings, like electrical plans, for instance, here with our light fixtures that we can just drag and move around. We can do pretty interior schedules with color tone palettes at the bottom. We can do our full fixtures and finishes schedules, which depending on what kind of table you're generating, you can create automatic tables on the left-hand properties panel, and even in-depth detailed cabinetry drawings. We'll dive into millwork, and we'll see everything is done here in the one space. We're not jumping ever. So it keeps your costs of multiple software really low, which is awesome. And if you're new to Rayon and thinking, well, it's going to take me so long to draw all these shapes and rebuild my library. Well, first of all, blocks, well, they're dynamic. The walls are dynamic. You just simply click a wall, draw it, finish it off. You can adjust the thickness to whatever you want and change the fill or hatch to whatever you want as well. So you don't have to rebuild a library. Better yet, the blocks, there's thousands of those, but we'll get to that in just a minute. Like I said in the intro, Rayon makes things just so much faster and makes our life so much easier. And they're doing that with advanced AI. In the left-hand panel, you see this AI chat. And you might be thinking, okay, I've got these beautiful sections. I've got a mood board. In my head, I know roughly what this space is going to look like. But how can I show that to the client without wasting hours and hours and hours creating a little AXO or creating a little render? Well, Rayon does it for you. In the AI, we go Tools, Generate AXO. Then we go to Plus Content, Add Screenshot. Let's just simply screenshot that entire section. Click once, click twice to finish. Don't write anything. No prompts, nothing. Just hit Enter. Give Rayon a few minutes to generate an image. It's automatically generated. Insert that into our project and bam, done. We have everything ready to go to articulate our vision. Now, AI isn't perfect. It isn't perfect in real world. It isn't perfect in Rayon. It is an experimental feature everywhere. But this is an awesome little visual representation of what this space could look like. It gives people an understanding of what you're thinking with the color palette of the mood board, some of the generic shapes of the cabinetry, the layouts, the art, the pendants, and even the landscaping seating area outside. Is it perfect? No. Does it do the job in seconds? Absolutely. Which moves us on to our second point. Faster plans, faster interiors, faster changes, which at the end of the day is how projects move forward, how practices make money, and we keep projects going. So as an example, let's say we've got this new wall layout and we wanted to make a second variation. Well, you can easily just copy, paste, drag it over, and you've got a brand new variation. Maybe this spiral staircase you didn't want over there, you wanted it at the front of the building. We can simply adjust, manipulate, move, and now we have two examples in a matter of seconds. And if you didn't want a spiral staircase, back into blocks, stairs and escalators. Maybe you want a U shape, maybe you want an L shape, maybe you need something completely different. You don't have to redraw it, you don't have to think about it. It's all here in our blocks. Let's say a client had some feedback on their electrical plan and didn't want 3 downlights, they wanted 2. We just simply delete, drag our downlight in the middle, adjust our connection lines, and we're done in seconds. I'm literally doing it live in front of you with one hand, other one's in the microphone, and it's done in seconds. Let's say we want to move these ones over here, manipulate this one there. We don't need that line. Extend that one, finished, done. What generally takes hours in Legacy CAD genuinely takes minutes, if not seconds in Rayon. And it takes seconds because of the built-in block library, which is absolutely insane. Now, I've touched on this in this video because it's a huge part of Rayon. But in the top left-hand corner, you see the little block and you open it up the panels. If you go to libraries, which is the right tab, you can scroll through 94 different categories. And if you take a look, 214 blocks, 56, 156 blocks, you add all these up, there are thousands of blocks pre-made, pre-done for you. So you don't have to troll the internet looking for the perfect item. Bathrooms and accessories, you have whatever you need straight in this section. And if you don't want to spend time trolling, you just simply type. Let's type in toilet, press enter, toilets come up, and you have all your toilets you need. Now, better yet, if I open up any of these toilets, there's going to be 3 views of that toilet. So you don't have to draw 3 views yourself. You just simply drag, drop, and it will import that block instantly. Let's say you need a front view as well and the side view. So now we have all 3 of our blocks imported instantly. Now, you can see they're different to our original style, and that might cause a bit of a problem. So how do we fix that? Again, super simple in Rayon. Double click on the block, highlight the toilet, go to our pick styles, click on the original toilet, and go done. Now, our toilet looks exactly like the original toilets in this concept plan. So we aren't wasting time double clicking in, making sure every single line type is the same style, adjusting, fine tuning. It's just one click, move on. What you'll notice is regardless of what a block I zoom into, they're clean, professionally done, precise models that are completely scalable. So if we drag them, need to make them bigger, smaller, rotate around in circles, flip, mirror, whatever we need, you can do it with the blocks, which makes them super, super powerful for furniture heavy presentations like this one. If you don't want the block, delete it, move on. You need more blocks, copy paste instantly. There is no lag because they're purpose built. And if for whatever reason you can't find the perfect block out of the thousands and thousands available to you, you can use the AI panel to generate a block from anything you found on the internet. I've made a video on that too, check it out above. Now let's move on to where Rayon actually shines. This is, well, a web-based platform. I'm using Chrome here. You can download it as a standalone if you wanted to, but even still, it's a cloud-based drawing system, which means we can do things that Legacy CAD can't. If we come across to the comments panel, we can just go add a comment. Let's go to this wall and go delete this wall and post. Now, any of my team members would be able to read that comment, find it, go, okay, I better delete that wall, and then action the comment or reply to me direct. There's no emails back and forward, it's all done in Rayon. And if we need more team members, we just come across to share, go to the access panel, and just invite whoever we need into our project. Similarly, we can have a presentation set. We'll just go publish this presentation set and then open it up, which means we can send a link to our clients, to our builders, anybody, to have a live link of the current presentation set at all times. That means no file chaos, no version confusion, just clarity in what the latest set is always. And here's the thing, most people come to me and go, well, Rayon seems like a basic drawing tool. But the truth is, if we come to our layers, let's go drawings 1-to-1, open up our entire project. We can delete all the extras we've created for this video. And then we go to the menu up the top and come down to the export panel. You'll see we can export images and PDFs, which is great. But here's the thing, it's designed to be collaborative with the industry. So we can export DWGs, these DXFs, and even our Rayon files for standalone software. I've been in the industry for over a decade now, and even with some of our largest BIM-focused projects, almost every consultant doesn't want the BIM file, they want DWGs. And they're going to send you back DWGs. So if you need to import, you can import your DWGs and DXF files. Because in the reality is, most firms and most consultants are still using legacy CAD. They're still using 2D lines. They aren't using full 3D BIM. That's being reserved for larger projects, heavy engineering projects, or high precision models. So Rayon becomes the absolute perfect platform, which is a nice blend between BIM software that automatically creates shapes, elements, blocks, and CAD software that's a bit of 2D lines and manual work. It still lets us collaborate and communicate with the best consultants. So you're not giving up the power of CAD at all. You're just moving away from grandpa software to the modern day version of it. So if you haven't figured out why designers and architects are switching to Rayon, well, it's super simple. As I scroll through this set, you'll see all of this is an extremely professional, cohesive set of architectural documents, which has saved so much time. For architects and interior designers, time matters, revisions matter, because clients expect speed, and Rayon delivers that speed. Even more so, our teams are becoming more complicated, more advanced, so we need to find systems that work for us and simplify our software. Anyway, that's all from me, team. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, and like always, I'll see you next week.